last thing that we want to do is start connecting kind of this, that example of our binomial distribution, that game of senet, with 4 sticks to a plot and talking about what the area means in that plot. So remember, this is what the fourth row of our table looked like. There was 1 way to get no white, 4 to get 1, 2, 3, and all 4, right? So let's draw a plot of this. We just have our X and our Y's, and again, we're using bars to represent the outcomes. Here what we have is that the height of the bars represents the count of each of those events. All right, so there was 1 outcome that had no white sticks. There were 4 that had 1, 6, 4, and 1. All right, and if we add that together, right, if we add all of those together, we get 16 total outcomes. And that is also the area, we can understand that as the area under all of these bars, the area of all of these bars. If we think about these as 1 unit wide each, right, 1, and this is 1 tall, so 1 times 1 would be 1. And we've got a 1 times 4, 6, 4, 1. All right. And the reason that we might do that is then we can understand probability of 1 or multiple outcomes as the ratio of the area of those events of interest over the total area. So for 4, with 4 sticks, our denominator is always going to be 16 because there's 16 total events. And then we can ask a question like, what's the probability of getting 2 white? And it's whatever the area under that specific event is, which is 6 here. That's 6, so 6 out of 16. Okay, we could also ask a question like, what's the probability of getting at least 3 white? Well, to get 3 white, there are 4, but getting 4 white is also, so that would be 1. So we've got a total area under these 2 bars of 5. This was 4, this is 1, so we've got 5 out of 16, and that is the probability of getting at least 3 white. Okay, so that's where we're going to kind of continue to explore, is how can we use area to tell us something about, in this case, probability, and we'll see some other examples as well. But for now, I just want you to use this plot to try and answer these couple of questions. What is the probability of getting 0 white sticks? How does that connect to the plot? 1 white stick, and then 1, 2, or 3 white sticks. And how does, again, what does that mean from the graph?